Today I want to show you how to easily create a works cited for an image that you find on the internet. And this is going to help you both in this class as well as in other classes that you take, because I do want you to get used to using CiteFast as much as possible, just because it's easy, it's free, and it will provide you with both in-text citations as well as a works cited page. So what you want to do first is go to CiteFast.com and create an account for yourself. As I said, it is absolutely free, and so you can see that I already have an account here. And from there, you want to select MLA 8. Now, you'll have to check with your teachers to see what form of citation they would prefer you to use. But in English class, we always use MLA, which stands for Modern Languages Association. So for today's lesson, I want to show you how to cite an image that you find online. So you'll see that the default is always web page when you go to CiteFast. But if you click on Other, there are a bunch of different options for you to choose. So I'm going to go to Web Image. And you'll see there's some information that you need to fill in. And because we're using the Wide Walls website, I thought that I would choose the first image that comes up, which is by Case, and it's a mural in New York. So I'll go back to my works cited page, and I'm going to type in Case, which is the artist's name, or her pseudonym rather. It is not a work of art because it's an image found on the web. If it was an actual work of art, like the Mona Lisa, for instance, or a photograph that's found in a museum collection or an institution, then I would click on this. But because it's not, I'm just going to click on Not a Work of Art. Where it says Date Published, you want to try and provide as much information as possible. So going back to the site, I can see that it was made in 2015. So I'm just going to put the year in. If there is a title for it, is there? There doesn't seem to be. So I'm just going to put Mural in New York as the title. Okay, and the website database is going to be Wide Walls. This is where we found the image. So I'll type that in, and the format is a mural. Okay, but obviously if it was a different format like a painting or a photograph, then you would just type in whatever that format is. There is no publisher. The publisher and the website are the same, so we don't need to fill that in. So I'm just going to take the URL for the website itself, and I'm going to plug that in here where it says URL, date accessed today. And then you'll see here it's created the works cited for me. So I'm going to save this citation under a new bibliography, and I'm going to call this Sample for Grade 11 Lang Lit. The style is MLA, and it will create that biography for you. And you can see here I've got like tons that I've been doing over the years, and you can, once you log in, you can easily keep track of all of your citations. So now I'm going to save this, and when I'm ready, I can copy and paste it directly from here and plug it into my essay, into my ELP, into a research paper that I'm writing, etc. If you are writing a research paper, for instance, and you need to provide an in-text citation, you just click on in-text link here, and it tells you what the in-text citation should look like. And then I can just go ahead and copy and paste that directly into my essay. All right, so please make sure you do this for the mural that you've selected, for the artist that you've selected. We're all using the same website, yes, but you're all using a different mural, so the artist information is going to be a little bit different. So just make sure that your citation reflects the mural that you've selected. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.